morning crack like an egg on the ridge. Spilled gold down the pines, slow and rich. Coffee steam doing ballet in the air. I caught it smiling, said, hey, you stay there. A bootlace flapping like a loose guitar string. I let it dance, some things don't need fixing. Spider-stitched silk from my mailbox to the gate. Eight-legged tailor working minimum wage. World keeps dropping little lanterns, glow, glow. Firefly hearts in the city's halo. Pockets empty but my soul's on 10. Every step I take, watch another one spark again. Spark again, spark again. Every step I take, watch another one spark again. Old dog on the corner forgot his own name. Still wags like the years were a losing game. Kid on a skateboard carving figure eights. Gravity's just a rumor when you're 8. Cracked sidewalk blooming tiny purple flowers. Weeds with the nerve to call this home, I kneel down. Whisper you're doing great, soldiers. Even rebels get tired of being alone. The world keeps dropping little lanterns, glow, glow. Firefly hearts in the city's halo. Pockets empty but my soul's on 10. Every step I take, watch another one spark again. Spark again, spark again. Every step I take, watch another one spark again. I used to run so fast, I missed the view. Chasing tomorrows that never came true. I used to doom scroll feeds till my eyes went blue. Chasing filters that hid what was true. Now I let the minutes pool like rainwater. Watch the clouds make shapes. Whenever I run anyway. Sun's going down like it's got nowhere better. Painting the river in bruised pink and amber. Two herons lift off slow motion applause. I stand there useless and perfectly in awe. Street lamp flickers on, says your turn, kid. I laugh out loud, nobody thinks I'm weird. The night smells like wood smoke and maybe forgiveness. Both of them free if you're willing to breathe. World keeps dropping little lanterns, glow, glow. Firefly hearts in the city's halo. Pockets empty but my soul's on 10. Every step I take, watch another one spark again. Spark again, spark again. Every step I take, watch another one spark again. If you feel dark, light one for a friend too. We're all lanterns in this endless blue. Keep walking. Keep walking. I crossed an ocean with a suitcase full of ghosts, neon signs and languages I never chose. Every street felt like a scar I couldn't hide. I built these walls with every goodbye. I was a wreck in a city that never sleeps, carrying hurt in the words I couldn't speak. Then you walked in like the sunrise breaking night. One look from you and I remember like I was sure love had left me for dead. You proved every fear in my head wrong instead. Her, I see the cracks, I see the storm inside your chest. You hold me like I'm already whole again. I'm not afraid of the dark you bring. You're the safest place I've ever been. No matter what the years will do, no matter what we're walking through, I'll stay right here. You stay right here, and we'll build a life from the ruins of my past. With you, I'm home at last. You think you're broken, baby, I see gold in every break. Every tear you cry just carved the space my love could take. I'm not a savior, I'm just a girl who understands. Some hearts need time and gentle hands. You don't have to hide the nights you fall apart. I'll kiss the places where the pain left its mark. I chose you then, I'm choosing you still. Love isn't leaving when it gets real. You were sure trust was a grave you'd already dug. I just kept showing up. You saw the war, I was still fighting in my soul, and loved me like I'd already won. You brought me peace I never thought I'd know. You gave me someone to become. No matter what the years will do, no matter what we're walking through, I'll stay right here. You stayed right here, and we'll build a life from the ruins of my past. With you, I'm home.